Welcome to the tutorial on hardware implementation of half and full subtractor using IC Trainer Kit. In the realization of the half subtractor, we have the truth table wherein we consider two inputs A and B, and we have the outputs difference and borrow. So I have highlighted the output difference corresponding to the minterm, and we obtain the expression to be equal to A bar B plus AB bar, which is equivalent to A XORed with B. When we come to the equation for the borrow, I am going to highlight the minterm corresponding to the borrow, and I obtain the equation as A bar B. So let us realize this using the 7486 IC, that is the XOR IC, 7404 NOT IC and 7408 AND IC. So this realization will be called as the realization using the basic gates. So initially I am going to place the three different ICs corresponding to XOR, NOT gate and the AND gate into the three different zip sockets and switch on the power supply, and the required ground connections and supply connections are connected to the ICs. So we will apply the inputs because you have two inputs, so we have to apply four different combinations and observe the difference and borrow. So 0 0 output is 0 0 0 1 difference is 1, borrow is 1, 1 0 difference is 1, borrow is 0, 1 1 both difference and borrow is 0. Coming to the realization of the half subtractor using the NAND gates, I am going to write the expression at each and every output of the NAND gate, and you can see that the expression for the difference will be equivalent to A XORed with B, and borrow will be equal to A bar B. Here we will require 5 NAND gates. So since each IC has 4 NAND gates, so 2 ICs of 7400 will be required. So we place them onto the zip socket and try to analyze the 4 different combinations of the input. So we have the difference, borrow, and the inputs A and B. 0 0 difference is 0, borrow is 0, 0 1 difference is 1 and borrow is 1, 1 0 difference is 1 and borrow is 0, 1 1 difference is 0, borrow is 0. To realize the full subtractor, we have the inputs A, B, C in, and the outputs as difference and borrow. So first, to obtain the expression for the difference, we will highlight the output corresponding to the difference, where output is logic 1, and write the Boolean expression for the difference, simplify it, and we obtain it as A XORed B XORed C in. Now to obtain the equation for the borrow, again we are going to highlight the output corresponding to logic 1 and write the expression. Simplify this by adding an extra additional term, that is A bar B C in. So the final expression for the borrow will be equal to A bar B plus B C in plus A bar C in. For the realization of the full subtractor using basic gates, we make use of 2 XOR gates, 2 AND gates, 2 NOT gates and 1 OR gate. So totally we will require 4 different ICs. So here we place the 4 ICs, that is the first one is the 7486 XOR IC, the second one is the 7408 IC, that is the AND gate IC, the third IC is the 7406 NOT IC, and the fourth one is the 7432 OR IC. So we will apply the 3 inputs A, B, C in, that is 8 combinations of inputs, and realize the output, that is difference and borrow. So 0 0 we have difference 0 borrow 0, 0 0 1 difference 1 borrow 1, 0 1 0 difference 1 borrow 1, 0 1 1 difference 0 borrow 1, 1 0 0 difference 1 borrow 0, 1 0 1 both difference and borrow is 0, 1 1 0 both difference and borrow is 0, and 1 1 1 difference and borrow is 1. In the realization of full subtractor using NAND gates, we make use of totally 9 NAND gates. So we can group this particular full subtractor using NAND gates having 2 XOR operations forming 4 NAND gates each. So since there are 9 NAND gates, we will require 3 7400 ICs for the realization. So we switch on the power supply, place the 3 ICs, that is corresponding to 7400 NAND gate IC, and try to realize for 8 combinations of inputs what will be the difference and the borrow. So 0 0 0 we have difference and borrow to be 0. 0 0 1 difference and borrow is 1 1. 0 1 0 difference is 1, borrow is 1. 0 1 1 difference is 0 and borrow is 1. 1 0 0 difference is 1 and borrow is 0. 1 0 1 both are zeros. 1 1 0 difference and borrow is 0. 1 1 1 difference and borrow is 1.